Hello friends, welcome to Mathstoon. In today's video, we will discuss whether 5 is a prime number or not. Please visit mathstoon.com for more info. Let us move to our solution. At first, we will learn the definition of a prime number. A number is said to be a prime number if it is divisible only by 1 and that number itself. Our discussion is about 5. We know that we cannot divide 5 by any number other than 1 and 5 itself. So, 5 is divisible only by 1 and 5. So, by the above definition of a prime number, we can conclude that 5 is a prime number. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave your comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel.